So I think there's just so many different things that you have to do in order to function. Not only be a good doctor and keep your credentials up and keep your skills up, but then on top of that, insurance companies are asking you to, meet certain benchmarks.
Well, I think ideally you'd want to work with someone who provides all of those needed services, because you're correct, people do oftentimes work with multiple different vendors, which again increases the time obligation that you spend having to vet those vendors, having to keep track of the job that they're doing, having to communicate with numerous different entities. So it's nice to be able to have one partner that you can work with that provides all of those services that you're looking for.
I think the practice management needs to be able to provide you all the things that you're not trained to do. As a doctor, you're trained to take care of patients, you're trained to do the clinical stuff. You're not trained to run an office, manage human resources issues, manage benefits packages, negotiate contracts, etc. That's just not what you're trained to do. And if doctors try to do that on their own, invariably it takes an exorbitant amount of their time away from what they really are trained and know what to do. So I think looking for a company that just totally takes that off your plate is key. One thing that I love about having a management company that takes all the stuff that's not being a doctor off of my plate, allows me to have more time with my patients, but also gives me more time with my family.
Oh, it's been wonderful. I mean, I think I work what I would call a regular day. I leave at a regular time. I don't finish seeing patients and then spend an additional 3 or 4 hours at my office signing checks and paying bills and looking over administrative reports and making human resources decisions and all the things that go to running a practice. We, like most physicians, are very busy during the daytime doing our work of seeing patients, and all of that administrative work needs to be done outside of that time. With that off of our plate, I get to go home and enjoy the rest of my life.